You've got a brilliant business idea, but so did thousands of failed startups. Look at this graveyard of logos. Millions lost, dreams gone, all because they thought a good idea was enough. The truth? 90% of startups crash before launch. Not because the product sucked, but because of 7 deadly mistakes. These are the silent killers that turn million-dollar ideas into digital dust. Miss even one, and your dream could die before it starts. I've seen founders pour everything in, only to end up with nothing because they skipped a crucial step. But that's not going to be you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to avoid failure and launch like a pro. We'll break down the 7 deadly mistakes and give you the exact steps to crush them. Let's get into it. The number 1 killer of dreams? Building before validating. You get excited, lock yourself away, spend months and thousands perfecting your product, without ever asking if anyone wants it. Your opinion doesn't matter, only your customer's wallet does. Don't build a 5-wheeled car just because you think it's cool. Ask drivers if they need it. Before you code or design, validate. Talk to 10 real people you think are your perfect customers. Don't pitch. Ask about their pain. Would they pay for a solution? What are they using now? Why does it suck? If they're not excited, your idea's a dud. Hate talking? Set up a simple landing page with a join the waitlist button, run cheap ads, drive traffic, and see if anyone signs up. No signups, no business. You just saved months and money. Tweak your idea or move on. The market speaks. Listen, validate first or fail for sure. Don't want to talk? Test with a landing page. No sales means no business. Validate or move on. Move. So people say they'd buy your idea, but do they need it badly? Are you building a vitamin or a painkiller? Vitamins are nice to haves. Painkillers solve urgent, costly problems. A blinking water bottle? Vitamin. An app that saves business owners hours on taxes? Painkiller. If your customer can skip your product with no real consequence, you're in the vitamin business, and that's tough. You want to solve a pain that's urgent and expensive. Don't just make a fitness app. Make a program for new dads to lose baby weight in 20 minutes a day. No equipment. That's a painkiller. Specific, urgent, and valuable. Ask, if my customer doesn't use my product today, what happens? If the answer is not much, rethink your idea. Make your product a must-have, not a nice-to-have. Find the pain. Solve it. Too many founders have a big vision, but no plan to make money. We'll get users, then figure out monetization. That's not a plan, it's a prayer. You need revenue from day one. Define your business model early. It can change, but you need a starting point. One-time purchase. Sell a product, get paid once. Subscription recurring revenue, but you must keep delivering value. Affiliate or freemium recommend others' products or offer a free version, but only a tiny fraction will pay. Pick one. Have a plan. No clear path to cash? Your idea is on life support. Don't hope for money. Engineer it. Choose your model, test it, and adapt. Revenue is oxygen. Don't run out. Trying to sell to everyone is a trap. When you market to everyone, you connect with no one. Generic products get ignored, specific solutions get noticed. A shoe for everyone is noise. The best waterproof hiking shoe for men with wide feet is a solution. Niche is power. General is invisible. Start hyper-specific. Pick a small group and solve their exact problem. That's your beachhead. Win there, then expand. Define your niche, who, what pain, why you're better. It makes marketing, product, and sales easier. Amazon started with books. Facebook started at Harvard. Don't be afraid to exclude people. The people you don't serve are as important as those you do. Be a specialist, not a generalist. Focus wins. Be the painkiller for a specific headache. Perfectionism is just fear in disguise. You tweak, polish, and wait while competitors launch and learn. Your first version will suck. That's normal. Launch your minimum viable product, MVP, the simplest version that solves the core problem. The goal isn't millions on day one, it's learning. Launch, get feedback, iterate. Dropbox started with a demo video, not a finished product. They proved demand before building. Don't waste time perfecting, get real-world feedback fast. Launch, learn, improve. Every day you wait is a day lost. The world moves fast. Don't get left behind. Ship it, then fix it. Perfection kills progress. Get your MVP out there. Iterate based on real data. Start now. You launch your product, and nothing happens. If you build it, they will come is a myth. The internet is noisy. Nobody finds you by accident. A launch is a campaign, not a moment. Build an audience before you launch. Start with a landing page and a waitlist. Collect emails. Email is your direct line to future customers. Share your journey on social media. Build hype and community. People buy stories, not just products. Create urgency, offer early access discounts or bonuses for waitlist signups. Run contests to encourage sharing. Engineer your launch. Don't leave it to chance. Build your audience before your product. Launch with momentum, not hope. Make noise before you go live. Trying to do everything yourself leads to burnout. You can't and shouldn't be CEO, coder, designer, and marketer all at once. Your time is your most valuable asset. Spend it on what matters. Use tools and platforms to get leverage. Need branding? Use services like Pikzels. Need copy? Use ChatGPT. Need a website? Use Hostinger. Organize with Notion. Design with Canva. Outsource tasks on Fiverr. The solo founder myth is just that. A myth. Build a system, not a solo act. Delegate, automate, and focus on your strengths. Use the tools available. Don't be a hero, be a builder. We've covered the 7 deadly mistakes that kill most startups. Now you know the traps, and how to avoid them. But knowing isn't enough. Action is everything. Every day you wait, someone else is launching your idea. Greatness comes from doing, not dreaming. Want to launch like a pro? Grab my free startup launch kit. Check the link in the description. It's packed with tools and templates to save you hours. Stop scrolling, start building, click, create, and launch. Your idea is worth it.